Sony has quietly pushed out a silent update to the highly anticipated A7V, and what's hidden beneath this calm surface could completely reshape how you feel about upgrading to this camera. Just a few days ago, a major leak surfaced, one that Sony definitely didn't want escaping into the public eye. The details are creating serious tension behind the scenes, and for good reason. The A7V, or what many assumed would be Sony's next big leap in the alpha lineup, might not be the revolutionary camera fans expected. Instead, this update reveals a fascinating mix of innovation and hesitation that's left even loyal Sony users wondering what's really going on. The story begins with a set of certification filings that appeared in official regulatory databases. These documents are required before any electronic device can be sold. So when Sony's codes popped up following a pattern familiar to the Alpha series, industry insiders immediately started connecting T dots. It was the breadcrumb trail that led straight to the A7V. The timing of the leak made everything even more suspicious. Just as Canon prepares to unveil its R6 Mark III, Sony suddenly accelerates filings and internal preparations. Analysts are calling it a nervous pivot, a move to beat Canon to the punch and dominate holiday headlines. For a company like Sony, known for its methodical release schedules, such a rushed approach screams urgency and possibly anxiety. As insiders dug deeper, they discovered the reason for Sony's unease. The A7V, once touted as the next evolutionary step for hybrid creators, appears to be more of a refinement than a reinvention. The leaked specs paint a picture of a safe, polished camera, solid, dependable, but lacking the spark of bold innovation. At its core lies a 33-megapixel full-frame BSIC and MOS sensor, a design closely related to the A7Vs. Yes, it's a little faster, with a partially stacked architecture delivering around 20% quicker readout speeds, improving rolling shutter and high-speed shooting. Dynamic range pushes past 14 stops, and the new dual base ISO promises better performance in dim lighting. On paper, it looks fantastic, yet the excitement fades when you realize what's missing. No global shutter, no jump to higher resolutions, no radical new imaging system. Sony seems to be fine-tuning instead of transforming. This cautious approach has earned the A7V a mixed early reputation. One insider summed it up perfectly: safe but snoozy. It's a phrase that stings because Sony built its legacy by taking risks, by being the first to experiment, the first to innovate. But this time, the company appears to be tightening the safety net rather than leaping forward. That doesn't mean the A7V lacks power. Its autofocus system still sets an industry standard. Borrowed from the A9 III, the AI-powered real-time tracking system can recognize humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects, maintaining focus across 94% of the frame. Burst shooting hits an impressive 20 to 24 frames per second in electronic shutter mode with blackout-free shooting. But once again, Canon seems poised to edge ahead with the rumored 40 frames per second of their R6 Mark III. In the world of sports and wildlife photography, those extra frames matter, and Sony knows it. That's why the company appears to be rushing this release before direct head-to-head comparisons flood YouTube. Video performance follows the same theme: capable, but conservative. The A7V records and crop 4K at 60 frames per second and 10-bit for 2222, complete with S-Log3 and S-Cinetone for rich, cinematic color profiles. It also handles 1080p at 120 frames per second for buttery slow motion. These specs cover everything hybrid shooters expect but stop short of what many hope for. There's number 8K recording, no open-gate shooting for creative reframing, and no truly next-generation features that push boundaries. The reason, sources claim, is heat. Sony learned from its past overheating controversies and has now gone ultra-conservative with thermal design. To avoid any hint of temperature complaints, they've capped performance deliberately. There's even talk of an optional grip-mounted cooling fan for filmmakers who need extended recording sessions. In other areas, the A7V feels like an incremental step forward wrapped in a premium body. Sony has improved usability and durability with a magnesium alloy frame and better weather sealing, giving creators confidence in tough outdoor environments. The viewfinder has been upgraded to a stunning 5.5 million dot OLED display, a big leap from the A7V's 3.68 million dots, providing a crisp, immersive experience. The fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen now boasts higher resolution and smoother response, making vlogging and on-the-go shooting more intuitive. But despite these refinements, some photographers feel small yet meaningful details were ignored, like the lack of an improved flash sync speed, a frustrating omission for event and wedding professionals who rely on flash precision. It's as if Sony's engineering team focused on polishing everything except the few things users actually asked for. The most dramatic part of this leak, however, isn't the hardware, it's the timeline. Multiple reliable sources are pointing to an official announcement window between November 12th and 15th, with pre-orders going live immediately after. But the real twist lies in the delivery schedule. Shipments reportedly won't start until January 2026, and some regions could wait until February. The cause? Production bottlenecks, sensor yield limitations, and supply chain snags eerily similar to those that plagued the A7V's rollout. Imagine pre-ordering the camera in mid-November, only to see Canon's R6 Mark III arrive in stores weeks earlier, dominating review headlines and YouTube comparisons. By the time your A7V finally ships, the hype could have faded completely. That's not just a logistical issue, it's a marketing nightmare. Pricing adds another layer of intrigue. The A7V is expected to launch at $2,999 for the body, only about $200 more than the A7V's initial price. Bundled with Sony's 20-for-2 105mm f4G lens, it jumps to $3,499. Alongside the camera, Sony reportedly plans to unveil 3 new lenses, a 100-to-400mm f4G to price around $2,800, a lighter non-G version of the same focal range at $1,200, and a 16-to-28mm f4G wide zoom at $2,200. That's a serious ecosystem expansion, hinting that Sony still believes in a future built around professionals and enthusiasts. Yet even here, a small but telling detail slips through. Insiders predict Sony may issue instant $200 rebates if the shipping delays extend into early 2026. That's pre-planned damage control, something a confident company doesn't do unless they're already bracing for backlash. So, what's the bigger picture? The A7V represents a fascinating paradox in Sony's evolution. It's a camera that checks nearly every technical box: fast autofocus, great color science, dependable image quality, pro-level video tools, and durable build. Yet, it lacks that single wow feature, the innovation that defines a generation. Sony seems caught between two instincts: the desire to protect its spotless reputation for reliability and the need to push boundaries before rivals do. This silent update feels like a strategic pause, a cautious move designed to buy time while more ambitious technologies, perhaps global shutter or advanced computational imaging, are perfected behind TE scenes. For now, the A7V stands as both a statement and a warning. It's Sony saying, "We're refining perfection," while competitors shout, "We're rewriting the rules." The camera world thrives on excitement, and while the A7V may be the most stable, consistent hybrid yet, some fear it also signals the start of a new era of risk-averse design. But make no mistake, this story isn't over. The coming months will reveal whether Sony's bet on refinement pays off, or if Canon's boldness captures the crown. Either way, one thing is clear: the mirrorless camera war is far from quiet, even if Sony is pretending otherwise.